All right, now we're going to be talking about development of an idea and how to work in a team. And this is going to be a short little video here on the last section where we talk about change. All right. Plan on making changes, revision, correct false steps, correct mistakes, clean up, tighten up the message, and review. You should always ask yourself, how can it be better? And if you can change it and revise it and redeliver it, do it. And then, does the product meet the design specifications? If you're designing a print brochure, does it meet the specifications of the print shop? If you're designing a message for radio, does it meet the time limitations on radio? If you're doing a video, is the quality, the lighting, the sound, the length of the video all meet the specifications of the design? If it's a multimedia, if it's web, if it's social media, all right, make sure that you always meet the design specifications, and if they don't, correct them, make the changes, and meet the design specifications. Make sure that when you present your idea to a client, all right, make sure you do it well, because you could have the greatest idea in the world, but if you don't present it well, you're not going to win that client. All right? Know your design and know your product upside down, inside out, backwards and forwards. Again, make sure that when they ask you questions, you have answers. But be honest. If you don't have the correct answer, don't give the answer you think they're wanting to hear. It's not a bad thing to say, I don't know, I'll get back to you, and then get back to them. As a graphic designer, you need to be professional, look professional, speak professional, present a quality presentation. Know your client's brand. All right? Understand your client's brand. Understand what your client needs. Understand who your client is. Understand the history of your client. All right? Be prepared for any and all questions about what product you're going to be working with. Okay? Make sure you deliver the product as promised. Make sure the product is delivered on time. Make sure that the design fits the design specification for the substrate that you created it for. Whether it's a physical substrate like paper or canvas, or it's digital, web, or social media, or it's anything that an image is being delivered upon has specifications. Make sure that you have the understanding of the specifications of the substrate you're dealing with. Get feedback on the client's satisfaction. Thank the client. Thank you for your business. Hope we can work together in the future. What can we do more to make this partnership work? Okay? And then guess what? The process starts all over again.